Good morning, everybody. It is December 22nd, 2022, and it is winter storm day in our region. We look at radar and we've got patchy light rain and drizzle in our area. Some of that's not showing up on radar because it's so light, but it is dampening the roads, it's dampening surfaces. Bad news because that's going to turn to ice. A thin layer of ice is bitterly, bitterly cold air advances into the region. We look at radar and we see bands of snow developing from Wisconsin, Iowa into Missouri and Kansas. That's cold air and snow that will be pushing into our region over the coming hours. Let's turn on temperatures here and let me show you just how cold it is just to our west. Check this out. Let's turn off the radar. -6 degrees in northwest Missouri and 44 in the Boot Heel. This is an extremely sharp cold front. Rare to see this. I've lived here a long time. This is very, very unusual. Not something we see every year. Watch the temperature, and this is current as of 7 a.m. As we move across the front, you can find the front. As soon as you go behind it, boom, temperatures drop like a rock. This is the cold air that's racing into our region today. We zoom out a little bit and we see back here, look at these incredibly cold temperatures over Montana, the Dakotas, Colorado, Wyoming, Nebraska, Iowa. These are actual air temperatures. These are not the wind chills. So you can see the sharp difference west of the front, east of the front. As soon as that front moves through, temperatures will drop rapidly into the single digits and teens as this system continues to move eastward. All right, we'll switch over to another view. Here's the band of snow forming right behind the cold front. And again, these are temperatures. You can see the drastic change in the air mass behind the front and ahead of the front. This line of snow will push east-southeast today and overspread our region as we move through the day. Now, I want to show you that we do have winter weather radars on weathertalk.com and weatherobservatory.com. If you go to weatherobservatory.com and you pick one of these local city views, not this one, local city view radars, or the zoom radar, you can see wintry precipitation. So for example, I'll click on the Paducah area, and right now it's on radar, so you see little patchy, a little bit of rain here and there. But if you winterize it, now the rain shows up better because the winterize button will pick up on lighter precip, and it will also show you the precip type: rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow. Right now it's all green. That means it's all rain. So go to weathertalk.com or weatherobservatory.com for that. I did update the blog just a bit ago for subscribers of weathertalk.com. You can see our 7-day forecast. Rain today, changing to snow rapidly this afternoon. Temperatures highs in the 40s, dropping in the single digits and teens through the afternoon hours. Snow tonight, ending early. Blowing snow likely, bitterly cold, -5 to 5 above air temperatures, -20 to -30 wind chills. Snow showers tomorrow, highs in the single digits with wind chills of -20. Bitterly cold tomorrow night, perhaps a flurry, low 5 below to 5 above, wind chills around -10 to -20. We warm up Saturday and Sunday with some sunshine, perhaps light snow Sunday night and Monday. Keep an eye on that. Fast moving system. And then next week we warm up a little bit more. If you subscribe to the blog, you see here that I do divide the area up into sections. So see that on your Weather Talk blog. Let me show you some graphics that I posted on the blog today as well. Again, a high impact weather event, bitterly cold air. Temperatures will drop 20 to 30 degrees within an hour. A frontal passage, rain changes to snow, flash freeze, accumulating snow 1 to 3 inches, perhaps 2 to 4 in spots. Blowing snow, thunder snow possible right on the front with some lightning. Not out of the question. Where snow falls heavily, you could have low visibility briefly. Winds gusting to 40 miles per hour behind the cold front today and tonight. Wind chills 0 to -20, perhaps -20 to -30 tonight. Actual air temperatures tomorrow morning -5 to 5 above. We do have winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings for the entire area. Simply means what I said above. Icy road conditions will develop as we move through the afternoon and evening. As far as the timing goes, We'll take a look at that on another graphic. I want to remind you that a flash freeze is when we have rain ahead of a cold front, temperatures fall rapidly behind the front, the moisture can't evaporate quick enough, and it turns to a thin layer of ice. That will happen later today and tonight. Don't forget your pets. If it's cold for you, it's cold for them. Bring them indoors. Livestock, this is a harsh event on everyone. It's going to be a harsh event on everyone. Let's look at some data. I know you want to know the timing of everything, so let's just switch over and zoom on down to the local view for temperatures. We'll pull up the HRRR model. It's the highest resolution one I have this morning. And watch the cold air here at 9 a.m. It's approaching St. Louis. By noon, Chicago to Carbondale to Cape Girardeau back to Butler County, Missouri. From then, it just advances eastward. We'll stop here at 3 o'clock. It's advancing into Paducah. We'll switch over to the Kentucky, Tennessee, Illinois view, and we'll again advance a little bit, and we'll stop here. Let's back it up. 3 o'clock. It could be a little faster than this. Evansville, Paducah, down to the Boot Hill. And by 5 and 6 o'clock, it's pretty much through my entire forecast area. Check out these temperatures. Carbondale at 6 o'clock, 3 degrees, 0 in Mount Vernon, 5 in Cape, 10 in Paducah. So we're going to go from the 40s ahead of the front to the single digits right behind the front. As far as timing the precipitation, let's just look at the Futurecast radar. Rain showers today and tonight. Rain showers today. And that will change to snow, rapidly change to snow behind the cold front. We'll stop here at 12 o'clock. Snow in Cape Girardeau, snow in Jackson County, Illinois, up to Mount Vernon. Again, give or take, they may not be exact, but you get the general idea. As we move through the afternoon, the snow will advance eastward. And again, I have 1 to 3 inches area wide. Heavier snow in northwest Kentucky, perhaps 2 to 4 inches up here. 1 to 3 over the rest of the area. If the snow's a little fluffier, which is possible because it's going to be so cold, then maybe a widespread 2 to 4 instead of 1 to 3. But either way, as I mentioned last night on the Facebook Live, same difference. We're going to have icy road conditions, blowing snow, falling snow. Whether you get a dusting of snow or 3 or 4 inches of snow, it's going to result in icy road conditions. We do warm up next week as we move into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, New Year's. Looks like 50s return, maybe some rain for New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, showers and thunderstorms possible. Keep an eye on that. Fast moving system Sunday night and Monday, perhaps some more light snow. All right, stay warm, stay off the roads this afternoon, tonight, and tomorrow morning. Probably still going to be slick tomorrow afternoon because temperatures will not recover until Saturday and Sunday, when we will moderate a little bit into the 20s. And depending on how much snow, some areas will stay in the teens Saturday, but 20s by Sunday, Christmas Day. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to WeatherTalk.com and then download the app. First, go to WeatherTalk.com, subscribe, then go to the App Store and download Weather Talk in the app stores. It's under Weather Talk. Also, JP's Traffic will alert you to traffic alerts, accidents, interstate closures. Just go to the website you see here to do that as well. Merry Christmas, everybody. Stay warm out there. If you didn't know, I have a subscription service. The subscription service is what helps pay for all of the weather data that you see every day. You can sign up for that at WeatherTalk.com. You can have up to 5 phones. Once you sign up for Weather Talk, it will ask you what county you want to receive products for, and then it will ask you what products you want to receive. Number 1 is the most important one. Make sure that's on: ice storms, tornadoes, severe weather alerts. Number 2 is for severe weather and winter storm events, social media. So when I have a Facebook Live, I'll send you a message. When I've updated the blog or videos, you'll receive a message on severe weather or winter storm days. Daily weather forecasts I send out every afternoon, sometimes during the morning. Hand type it for your county. And then number 4 does not override all the rest of them. This is a standalone. If you want to receive social media notifications on non-severe weather days, non-winter storm days, then turn this one on as well, and you'll receive updates when I update the video or the blog or Facebook. But again, this doesn't override the rest of them. So make sure you have all the ones on that you want to receive messages for on your app. Red is off, green is on. When you've finished all of this, then go to the App Store and look for Weather Talk. Bo Dotson Weather Talk. It's under Weather Talk in the App Store. Download that, and then you will start receiving the app messages. If you have any questions, you can just contact me.